Today, you will learn how to resolve comments in Word without deleting them. First, find the comment that you want to resolve. Comments usually appear on the right side of the document in the Comments area. These comments may contain suggestions, corrections, questions, or feedback from yourself or other people who reviewed the document. Instead of deleting the comment, click directly on the comment you want to mark as completed. Once the comment is selected, look for the Resolve button. In newer versions of Microsoft Word, you can find this option in the comment itself or under the Review tab on the ribbon. Simply click Resolve, and Word will mark that comment as resolved. You will notice that the comment becomes less prominent, indicating that the issue has already been addressed. The comment is not deleted and can still be viewed later if needed. If you accidentally resolved the wrong comment, don't worry. You can click on the resolved comment and choose Reopen or Unresolve, depending on your version of Word. This will return the comment to its active state so it can be reviewed again. Another helpful thing to know is that resolving a comment does not affect the content of your document. It simply changes the status of the comment. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.